In a major disciplinary action, the BJP Central Disciplinary Committee has expelled MLAs S.T. Somashekar and Shivaram Hebbar from the party for 6 years over repeated anti-party activities. Both leaders, originally from Congress, had joined the BJP in 2019. Hebbar, representing Yellapur in Uttara Kannada, served as Labour Minister, and Somashekar, elected from Yeshwanthpur in Bengaluru, held the cooperation portfolio in the previous BJP government. The allegation is that despite winning the 2023 elections on BJP tickets, both leaders were frequently seen attending Congress leaders' programs and were openly critical of the BJP leadership. The expulsion letter dated May 27, 2025 and signed by Om Pathak cites violation of party discipline. Earlier, MLA Basanagowda Patilyatnal was also expelled on similar grounds. Reacting to the action, Karnataka Deputy CM D.K. Shivkumar remarked that the MLAs had not committed any criminal offence in office while cases remain under probe.
S.T. Somashekar and Hebbar has not raped anyone in the Vidhan Sabha when he was in office. There are so many affairs are there, so many investigation has been conducted, and there are some legislators who made a AIDS injection to the opposition leader and who tried to trap the Yellapur. They are not taking action on them. I am very happy they are keeping all those Navaratnas within their party.
ಇವತ್ತು S.T. ಸೋಮಶೇಖರ್ ಅವರು ಶಿವರಾಮ್ ಹೆಬ್ಬಾರ್ ಅವರು ಏನು ಪಕ್ಷ ವಿರೋಧಿ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ನೋವು ಅಥವಾ ಬೇಸರ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷ, ನಮ್ಮ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ.